Let's be honest, life is chaos, and healthy eating is usually the first thing to go. You grab junk, feel sluggish, and your waistline pays the price. But what if I told you fat-burning meals don't need hours? They need minutes. Today, I'll show you how Japanese-inspired dishes can help you burn fat, boost energy, and taste incredible, all in 10 minutes or less. We're talking high-protein, low-calorie, zero-stress meals. Forget the excuses and the takeaways. You're about to become a master of the 10-minute meal. 3 stunning Japanese bowls and wraps. Fast, lean, and delicious. Ready? Let's get cooking. This is SlimSync, ultra-slimming Japanese meals for busy people. First up, spicy Shiso chicken lettuce boats. If you're looking for a meal that's lightning fast, packed with flavor, and actually supports your health goals, this is it. Forget bland salads or boring meal prep. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to eat well and feel amazing, without spending hours in the kitchen. Swap bread for crisp lettuce. Zero carbs, all crunch. These lettuce leaves are the perfect vessel. Cool, refreshing, and sturdy enough to hold all that spicy, juicy chicken. Plus, you get a satisfying crunch in every bite, making it feel like a real treat, not a compromise. Flash fry lean ground chicken in a touch of sesame oil. Protein-packed, metabolism-boosting, and done in minutes. The chicken cooks up golden and juicy, soaking up all the flavors you're about to add. It's the ultimate quick-cook protein, perfect for busy days or when you just want something delicious, fast. Add minced garlic, grated ginger, and a hit of red chili for a fat-burning flavor bomb. The garlic and ginger bring warmth and depth, while the chili adds a fiery kick that wakes up your taste buds and your metabolism. Don't be afraid to adjust the heat. Make it as mild or as spicy as you like. Tear in fresh shiso leaves for a burst of minty, citrusy freshness. Shiso is the secret weapon here. It lifts the whole dish, adding a unique flavor that's somewhere between basil, mint, and a hint of citrus. If you've never tried shiso before, get ready for a new obsession. Spoon the spicy chicken into lettuce boats, squeeze over lime, and finish with toasted sesame seeds. The lime adds a bright, zesty pop that cuts through the richness, and the sesame seeds bring a nutty crunch that ties everything together. It's all about layers of flavor and texture. This is grab-and-go food that fuels fat loss and keeps you full. It's portable, mess-free, and perfect for busy work days, quick lunches, or even a light dinner. You'll feel satisfied, energized, and never weighed down. Make the chicken mix ahead, store it in the fridge, and assemble in seconds. Meal prep just got a serious upgrade. Cook once, eat all week. The flavors actually get better as they sit, so you're winning on taste and convenience. No more carb crashes or post-lunch slumps. Just clean energy. You'll stay sharp and focused, with steady energy that lasts all afternoon. Say goodbye to that heavy, sluggish feeling after a typical sandwich or takeout lunch. Every bite, crisp lettuce, warm chicken, fresh shiso, zingy lime. It's a flavor explosion that keeps you coming back for more. The textures are just as exciting as the taste. Crunchy, juicy, tender, and fresh, all in one mouthful. High protein, zero carb, and ready in 5 minutes. Seriously, set a timer and see for yourself. This is the kind of meal that fits into any schedule, no matter how hectic your day gets. Perfect for lunch, post-workout, or a light dinner. Whether you need a quick refuel after the gym, a healthy desk lunch, or a light evening meal. These lettuce boats have you covered. They're as versatile as they are delicious. This isn't diet food. It's an upgrade. You're not sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. You're leveling up your meals with every bite. Healthy eating should feel indulgent, and this recipe proves it. Fast, delicious, and actively helping you burn fat. It's the kind of meal that makes you feel good about what you're eating, and even better about how you feel afterward. No guilt, just pure enjoyment and results. Sprinkle with sesame seeds for that final touch. It's the little details that make a meal memorable, and those tiny seeds add a big punch of flavor and crunch. Spicy shiso chicken lettuce boats. Your new 5-minute fat loss weapon. They're bold, beautiful, and built for real life. Whether you're cooking for yourself or sharing with friends, these boats are guaranteed to impress. Make them once, and you'll never look at sandwiches the same way again. Get in. Try it today and discover just how easy, tasty, and energizing healthy eating can be. When the temperature rises and you're craving something light, hydrating, and nourishing, my Cucumber-Soba Detox Bowl is the answer. This dish is a celebration of summer's best flavors and textures, designed to cool you down and leave you feeling refreshed from the inside out. Start by spiralizing fresh cucumber into delicate noodles. Not only does this add a fun, crunchy twist, but cucumber is packed with water, making it incredibly hydrating and low in calories. It's the perfect way to sneak more veggies into your day, especially when the heat makes you crave something crisp and cooling. Next, cook your soba noodles. Soba, made from buckwheat, is naturally gluten-free and full of fiber and minerals. It cooks in just a few minutes, so you won't be stuck over a hot stove. Once they're tender, rinse them under cold water and plunge them into an ice bath. This stops the cooking, locks in that chewy texture, and makes every bite extra refreshing. While the noodles chill, whisk together a light, zesty dressing. Combine rice vinegar for tang, soy sauce for umami, a splash of mirin for subtle sweetness, and just a drop of toasted sesame oil for that irresistible nutty aroma. This dressing is the secret to tying all the flavors together without weighing you down. Now, assemble your bowl. Toss the chilled soba and cucumber noodles with vibrant edamame for plant-based protein, shredded carrot for crunch and color, and thinly sliced spring onions for a gentle bite. Each ingredient brings its own nutritional boost, making this bowl as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Drizzle the dressing generously over your noodle and veggie mix. Gently toss everything together until every strand and every bite is coated in that tangy, savory goodness. The colors pop. The aroma is mouth-watering, and you can already tell this is going to be a treat. For the finishing touch, sprinkle over black sesame seeds for a subtle crunch and a boost of antioxidants. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves. This not only makes the bowl look beautiful, but adds a cooling herbal note that takes the refreshment factor to the next level. What you get is a bowl that's a true nutritional powerhouse. You've got complex carbs from the soba to keep you energized, plant protein from the edamame, a rainbow of vitamins from the veggies, and all the hydration your body craves on a hot day. It's a meal that supports your wellness goals without ever feeling like a sacrifice. The best part? This bowl is light and energizing, so you'll feel satisfied but never weighed down. It's perfect for flattening your stomach and beating bloat, just clean, wholesome fuel that leaves you feeling amazing. If you're short on time, you can prep the noodles and veggies ahead of time, store them in the fridge, and when hunger strikes, just toss everything together with the dressing. It's a lifesaver for busy days or when you want a quick, healthy meal after work or a workout. The flavor profile is out of this world. Nutty from the soba, crisp and juicy from the cucumber, tangy and savory from the dressing, and a hint of sweetness and minty freshness in every bite. It's the kind of meal you'll crave again and again, whether you're living in a hot climate, looking for a post-yoga lunch, or just want something that feels like a spa day at home. This bowl is your secret weapon. It's as beautiful as it is delicious, and it's guaranteed to leave you feeling cool, light, and recharged. Say goodbye to heavy, greasy lunches. With this Cucumber-Soba Detox Bowl, you get pure refreshment, vibrant colors, and a meal that's as slimming as it is satisfying. It's fast, it's easy, and it's a feast for the eyes and the body. In just 10 minutes, you can treat yourself to a bowl that feels like a spa day for your body. Eat smart, feel amazing, and let every bite remind you that healthy can be absolutely delicious. The Cucumber-Soba Detox Bowl, your new summer staple. Last up, the 3-minute Shiitake-Miso Slim Soup. This is the recipe you'll want to remember for those nights when hunger strikes and you want something nourishing, but don't want to spend ages in the kitchen. It's a Japanese-inspired classic, reimagined for speed, health, and pure comfort. When you're starving late at night, skip the heavy meal. Make this. Instead of reaching for pizza or leftover takeout, you can whip up a bowl of this soup in less time than it takes to scroll through your food delivery app. It's the perfect answer to those late-night cravings that threaten to derail your healthy habits. Instant dashi and miso paste form a savory, umami-rich broth in seconds. Dashi, the backbone of Japanese soups, brings a deep, oceanic flavor, while miso adds a creamy, salty richness that's both satisfying and soothing. Just a spoonful of each, and you've got a base that tastes like it's been simmering for hours. Thinly sliced shiitake mushrooms. Toss them into simmer for 2 minutes. Shiitake mushrooms are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients and have a meaty texture that makes this soup feel hearty, even though it's light. Whisk miso with a little hot broth. Then stir it in off the heat to keep those gut-friendly probiotics alive. This step is key. Never boil miso, or you'll lose its health benefits. The result is a soup that's not just tasty but also great for your digestion and overall well-being. Add rehydrated wakame seaweed and silken tofu for protein and minerals. Wakame brings a subtle briny flavor and a boost of iodine, while tofu adds a gentle creaminess and plant-based protein to keep you full and satisfied. Ladle into a bowl. Top with sliced spring onions for a fresh crunch. The green onions add a pop of color and a sharp, clean bite that balances the richness of the broth. This soup is light, filling, and won't sabotage your sleep or waistline. It's low in calories but high in flavor and satisfaction, making it the ideal late-night meal or quick lunch. It's pure comfort, warm, savory, and deeply satisfying. There's something about holding a steaming bowl in your hands that instantly soothes the mind and body, especially when you know it's doing your body good. No fat, no junk, just clean restorative flavor. Every ingredient serves a purpose, nourishing you without any unnecessary extras. 3 minutes, 1 pot, 0 guilt. It's as easy as it gets. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, just wholesome ingredients and a little bit of time. Cheap, fast, and always ready in your pantry. These are staple ingredients you can keep on hand, so you're never more than a few minutes away from a healthy meal. The ultimate late-night, fat-burning meal. It's gentle on your stomach, helps curb cravings and supports your goals, whether you're looking to lose weight or just eat better. Step away from the snacks, make this instead. You'll feel better, sleep better, and wake up without any regrets. Shiitake-Miso Slim Soup, your new emergency button. Whenever you need a quick fix, this is the answer. 3 minutes to a better you. Beautiful. With every spoonful, you're nourishing your body, calming your mind, and making a choice you can feel proud of, anytime, day or night. There you have it. 3 ultra-slimming Japanese-inspired dishes, ready in minutes. Spicy Shiso chicken boats, Cucumber-Soba Detox Bowl, and Shiitake-Miso Slim Soup. This isn't just diet food, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Eat smarter, burn fat, and save time. You've got the roadmap. Now it's your turn. Try these once and you'll never look back. Fast, delicious, and results you can see. Your new secret weapon for a leaner, healthier you. Like, subscribe, and hit the SlimSync bell for more 10-minute Japanese fat-burning recipes. Let's go! Your journey starts now!